Today, how about we make a Guava Agua Fresca? I grew up with this fruit, and nowadays it feels impossible for me to go into a grocery store and not smell them because they're just simply so aromatic. So I had to buy some and decided, hey, let's make a refreshing Mexican drink. We're gonna need 8 ounces of fresh guayabas, and I'm just going to remove that tip area, cut it in half. They don't have to be perfect because they're gonna get blended. They're nice and tender, ripe. Now do 6 ounces of strawberries. Same thing, remove the leaves, cut them in half. Add in 4 cups of water. And we're gonna blend it until everything is completely smooth and broken down. Strain it into a large pitcher. And you should get this gorgeous light pink color. Definitely strain it because the seeds from the guavas are very, very hard, so they're gonna become really grainy. You don't want those in the agua fresca. Add 3 additional cups of water. Depending on how sweet the fruit is, you're gonna have to add and adjust to taste the amount of sugar. I'm gonna do about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna set this aside momentarily because to open up the flavors, give it a nice tang, I'm going to do 1/4 cup of lemon juice into the pitcher and keep stirring until that sugar has fully dissolved. If you want to add the ice into the pitcher, you can, but I personally prefer to add it straight into the glass. That way the water doesn't get diluted, but it is definitely up to you. You can garnish it with a little bit of mint, some sliced fruit. In all honesty, this drink feels like summer in a glass. There's nothing better than to refresh yourself with a nice agua fresca because it is sunny outside.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, so good. So refreshing, bright, delicious. I just love guayabas. I grew up around them. They're just so good.
Wow, so good. It just reminds me when I was in El Salvador and we used to go to my grandpa's milpa or look for cows, and there was like a bunch of guayaba trees. So good. So refreshing.
And I used an alternative sweetener on this agua fresca. Tastes delicious. The other thing that I like to do if I have leftover, I will store it in individual bottles, have them in the fridge, and Nelson would just grab them and take them to work. So
Yeah.
I'll leave the link to those then in the description area just in case you are interested. Full print of our recipe is going to be available on cocina.com. Don't forget to like this video. Bye everyone.